Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judi in the Kitchen. Today we're talking snow peas 101, what to do with them. I've got some cooking and serving ideas for you to share here. Obviously they're enjoyed raw. You can add them to salads, no problem whatsoever, but they can also be boiled and blanched and steamed and stir-fried. You can saute them, you can add them to soups and stews and curries as well. Other than the soups and stews, if you're going to cook them, bear in mind that they're at their best when they're cooked only briefly, as brief as possible, and that helps to preserve their crisp texture and that nice mild flavor, sweet-like flavor, and preserves their nutrients as well. So other than the soups, it's best not to just overcook them, or they're going to be very limp and you'll lose that nice crisp texture that they have. If you want to steam snow peas, you can easily do that by putting them in a steamer basket over boiling water, cover them with a lid, and steam them for 3 to 5 minutes until they're crisp, tender to your degree of liking, and then take them out and do whatever it is you want to do with them, flavor in whatever way you want. Now I've got some nice little ideas for using the snow peas, and of course you can add them to salads for a nice fresh flavor and a crisp addition. How about if you have an appetizer tray and you've got vegetables and dip there, why not add some snow peas to that as well? They'd make a nice little vehicle for picking up a little bit of dip, and that would add a nice legume in there as well, a selection for that, for people to choose from. Now you can also add snow peas to your favorite stir-fried vegetables. That would be very, very good. How about sauteing the snow peas with some garlic in some oil and or butter, and when they're finished, which does not take long, drizzle them with a little bit of fresh lemon juice, and that would really be good. How about including some snow peas with other vegetables when you're making fried rice or a fried noodle dish? That would be really good as well. Now I've got a suggested stir-fried or stir-steamed vegetable medley here of snow peas, broccoli, cauliflower, bell peppers, carrots, and onions. And if you want to add a little zing to it, you could throw a little garlic and a little ginger in there as well to your stir-fried veggie combination. That really sounds good to me. You could also saute carrots and snow peas in some butter and then drizzle a little honey over them as well to add some sweetness. And if you want to counterbalance that sweetness, you could drizzle just a little bit of lemon juice on top as well, and that would be a really good flavor combination. How about combining your favorite cooked pasta with a little butter and or olive oil, some snow peas, some sun-dried tomatoes, a little red pepper flakes, and then throw some grated Parmesan cheese on top of that. That really sounds good. You can also roast snow peas, lightly coat them with some olive oil and sprinkle them with a little bit of garlic powder. Roast them at 400 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes or so until they're as crisp and brown as you want them to be, and then when you take them out, sprinkle them with a little bit of Parmesan cheese and enjoy. I do hope this helps. This is Judi at Judi in the Kitchen. Bye for now.